What's up, gang? ABREEZE Motovlogs checking in. Today I am doing an unboxing for a package I have been waiting for a long time, but it's finally here, and I just thought I'd share the experience with you guys. So come and check it out with me. Let's go. Alright, so let's just open this bad boy up. All the way through. There we go. Oh. Yes, sir. Shout out to the team at Cardo. You got all the goods in there. You got that in there. That's dope. Everything in here. And then we've got Packtalk Edge in there. Such a beautiful boxing. I'm so excited to get this on there. I've had a Packtalk board for the longest, so finally getting the Edge is truly exciting for me. I've only used Cardo. I love the Cardo brand. I'm truly blessed and grateful that you guys sent that through, and I'm truly excited to have that. But if you want one of these, I will put the description at the bottom of this video. But all you gotta do is just put ABREEZE15 and then you can get a discount on one of these bad boys. So ABREEZE15 in the discount code and get you one. So now we are going to do the unboxing of the Edge. I really like this box. And this is a nice, sleek design. Very simple, but very elegant at the same time. Ooh, yes, look at that design. That is just very sleek, very minimalistic. That is beautiful. I like that. It's very different to the bold in terms of the design of it. So they've gone with a more sleek looking design. I low-key like the color too. It's like a nano gray or something like that. That's cool. I like that. Alright, so inside you've got all your installation guides. Then I believe you have all your wiring in here somewhere. So we will do this one. Yep, so we've got all that here are speakers and connections. It's all in here. Probably should read the guides on how to do this, but probably not. I'm just gonna put that back into the box here just so I don't have everything everywhere. So got that here. So now all we're gonna do is gonna take this one off. Okay, and take that off here. So the one thing that I hate about taking apart a helmet is like once you've got it set up, it's kind of like you've got everything already there that you like, and I've got my mic in here as well. So it just kind of sucks putting this back together after you've already got a beautiful setup, but it's worth it. Okay, so got that out, and then we can take that off as well in the process. Okay, and that's off. And then we can take this one out. Okay. So the bolt is out. So which leaves me to be able to put this on. I really like how this looks. It's very simplistic, which is great. And I got this bad boy here sniffing around. Alright guys, so I've just connected this on here. I didn't end up using this. Probably gonna upgrade my helmet at some point soon, so I might as well just use the clip-on and then maybe decide whether what I'll do with that. Connected the mic on here, and then I'm just gonna put these bad boys in. This is always the tricky part for me, because when I did the Packtalk Bold last time, it was actually very tricky because I kind of slightly didn't get my ear right, because on the AGV it doesn't have like the, I've kind of messed it up, but it's just got these here, which kind of gives you a direction of where your ears will be. But as you can see, it actually doesn't have like a pocket where these bad boys will go. So it's kind of tricky in that sense. Whereas on the Shoei, you've actually got these little pockets here where you can clearly see where your speakers will go. So just try to do the best that I can to measure that, make sure that it's actually going to be in the right spot, because as you know, once you put these on, it's pretty much a done deal. So I need to try and make sure that I do that as accurate as I possibly can. So I just put the first one on there and then do this one. Hope I've done that right. So on this side, it doesn't seem like there is a left and right. And then the jack is right here, so it's better if this is closest to it. And oh, there we go. So that's all done. Now I just need to figure out how to tuck all of that away. I'll put most of these cables behind this. So I've managed to pretty much tuck most of that away, which looks pretty nice and tidy. So I'll just put this back on. Hey guys, so I ended up just completing the install, so it's all done now. It's nice and tucked in away. Had a lot of cables that I had to tuck it away. I had an issue with my mic wires. I had it set up perfectly on my old system, but this time gave me some problems. But it's all done, all set up. So got the speakers in there on both sides, and yeah, was able to tuck in all the cables behind that pad, and it looks pretty clean. So I will click the Cardo on. So the good thing that I like about this is it's magnetic, so you just point it close to it and it's just going to basically just attach, which is great. So here's the finished product. It looks beautiful.